So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Glenda, the CEO of Brilliant Skin, and my investors, Rachel and Naya. So Brilliant Skin Essentials is a skincare and cosmetics brand in the Philippines, carrying a mission to develop and manufacture skincare products that meet the satisfactions of the consumers, and be the pillar of delivering confidence not only in the Philippines but globally. And now, since we are now starting to expand, we started Malaysia in 2019, and on December in UAE, targeting the Filipinos and different races, and soon in the USA. So each of us has a skin needs, but the answers will not always be the same. We look for solution based on our skin's necessity, but with Brilliant Skin Essentials tinted sunscreen, we break the barrier of culture and race differences. Tinted sunscreen has tone-adapt technology that provides protection from the harmful UVA and UVB rays that skin needs while embracing our skin tones. It utilizes a technology that, when applied, conforms you to a natural skin tone for a sheer finish look and doesn't leave any casts that cause unevenness. A sunscreen made for everyone, every culture, and every race. Together we shine.
Asian branded skincare here. I just want to say, great job, guys.
I have a question. Are you currently leveraging influencer marketing?
Yes.
So I would love to hear more about that and how you integrate that into your.
Okay, so about our marketing when it comes to influencers, we have sets of influencers in the Philippines. We also have different team in Malaysia and different sets of influencers. So since Malaysia most of them are Muslim, so we get Muslim models to create a review with our products or show that they are using my products. So kind of like that. And we are focusing, we are focusing on morely on before and after, or testimonials, feedback for us for the consumer to see that our products are really effective.
I just want to add that we are relying a lot on user-generated content because Brilliant Skin already has a huge base of followers. So it's easier for us just to reuse this content in our behalf. And also, it is going to help us to bring cultural relevance, since we can rely on several different types of skin telling what they felt about this new product.
So basically, you leveraging the senior is what we're doing.
There you go.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Wait, before we clap, I don't know if there's more questions. Did you have a question or comment? I would like to ask you what you would like to know from this class. Like, what feedback would you like, or what questions would you like to ask us? Because your presentation's buttoned up. This works. This was full cycle, full journey. Great job. But you're here to get some feedback too. So what would you like to know from us, or what questions would you like to ask this room of marketing experts?
That's you.
That's you.
Yeah.
That's you. That's you.
Maybe
you
we
have
can
any
help
questions?
you,
Yeah.
because what do you guys think would be like the key for us to come to US? Because it's a really challenging market.
The first entry. So
Yeah.
to speak, aside from your sampling.
And also maybe what other products I can bring to the US. Because in the Philippines, we have more than 100 SKU, also in Malaysia. So I would like to know by creating a survey on which products are working in the US people. Because as I've noticed in the Philippines, it's hot, but it cannot make our skin itchy or dry. But when I came to Las Vegas, I felt that my skin is very dry, so I have to use moisturizer to hydrate my skin. And we also have that product in the Philippines. So why not bring those products here in the US with a cheaper and very affordable price? Because as I go to different market, I've seen that the price is high. So I think one of my goal is to bring an affordable and effective products that can also compete with the So, hi guys! Mag-a-update lang ako dahil hindi ako masyadong nakapag-update dahil syempre naman, kailangan mag-focus tayo dito sa ginawa natin. So, andito tayo sa Harvard Division of Continuing Education at nag-take tayo ng Digital Marketing Strategy. Ayan.
Hi everyone! We're so excited to have Glenda with us and we're really super amazed.
Thank you!
Miss Glenda is such an inspiration to all of us. She's such a hard worker and success story by her own right. So
Thank you.
So admirable.
Oh, thank you and nice meeting you all. Hi, so lahat sila kaklase ko. At lahat ng yan ay CEO, business owner at pinadala ng malalaking company. My very smart professor, Nicole. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to see everyone.
Thank you, Naya. Miss Brazil. Got my certificate. At para sa lahat ng mga nagsasabi na certificate lang to, para sa akin, malaking bagay siya at hindi siya lang, especially sa katulad ko na hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Hindi lang naman siya basta seminar at hindi lang siya basta certificate program. Kasi para ka talagang nasa eskwelahan na maraming learnings. At ang kagandahan dito, it's business education. So makakatulong talaga ng bongga kung ano man yung negosyo mo. At makakapili ka ng course na gusto mo. So lahat ay may karapatang magpunta dito. And yes, for me, it's another achievement.